Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to build a website from scratch. So in this video I will be showing you step-by-step process that how you can buy web hosting and set up your web domain, and you can start adding your content to your website. So in this video we will be creating a website like this one. So as you can see, we have created a website. Here is our blog post which we have added, and here you can simply change all the content you want, and you can add the pages and you can edit all the information up to your needs. So let's get started making this website. First of all, you need to know about what is web hosting. So web hosting is a place where all of your website files gonna be stored. So all of your content, including database, your blogs, all of the files gonna be stored on your web hosting. So there are a number of web hosting which you can use for your website, but it depends what kind of web hosting you want. In this video, I'm going to purchase web hosting from Bluehost. So it's the best web hosting service recommended by the WordPress itself. You can visit bluehost.com by the given link in the description. After visiting Bluehost, you have to click on Get Started, and here you will see all the plans. So here you can select plan for your website. So there is basic plan, plus plan, and two more plan. So it depends on you what kind of website you want to create. If you are going to create one website and you don't need much storage, then you should basically go for the basic package. It will cost you less. But if you want to create more than one website and you want unlimited storage, then you can go for the plus plan. You don't need to choose the remaining plans, because these both plans will work good for you. So in this case I'm going to choose the basic plan. So click select. After that, here you can create a domain name for you. So what is the domain name? For example, you are visiting a site by the name like youtube.com, google.com. The name, it is called the domain name. So here you can search for your domain name. Let's suppose we want to search for how to website, and make sure you will select .com first. If it isn't available, then you can choose another option as well. So I'm going to click next, and it will search it's available or not. As you can see, it's not available, so it's showing some more suggestion which you can choose. So you can choose how to website.online and all of these, but you can search again and make sure that your domain name is easy to remember and easy to type. It don't should be like this one, so no one can remember this. So keep it simple as it can. So let's choose this one, and here you will see, and here you can see the domain name is online, is available. Now here you can simply sign in the Google, or you can put your details right here. You can put first name, last name, business name, and your phone number and email address. And from here you can check package information. In default it's selected up to 36 months, but you can choose at least for 12 months. But if you will choose for 36 months, you will have to pay less, but if you choose for 12 months, you will be charged higher. So it depends on you what package you choose for your website. So I'm going to choose this package right here and scroll down, and from the package extras you have to simply uncheck these both, because you don't need these plugins. Basically we can do this stuff by later, okay? And from here, domain privacy plus protection. If you want to keep your information protected, you have to simply keep this check. But if you want to decrease your money, then you can simply uncheck this one also and turn it off. And as you can see, your price is reduced, okay? And from here you have to add some payment information. After adding all the information, you have to scroll down, check this mark, and you have to click on submit. After clicking submit, you will see a payment receipt like this one. You have to scroll up and you will see create your account button. You have to click on create your account. After that, you will see option like this one. Here you will be have your domain name, and you can create a password which you can use for login, and create a strong password. And after that, click on create account, and during this you have to verify your email. And you have, as you can see, your account will be verified. Now if you visit Bluehost, you will see a pop-up like this one. Your account is ready to go. Now you can log in. So click on go to login, and you will see a page like this one. Here you can put your domain name and the password which you have created before. And after putting the information, you have to click on login, and here you will see a pop-up create your website. So you have to simply click on create your website. After that, you will see some options which you can choose, or you can simply skip. So I'm going to skip these steps. And here you can also choose a category for your website, or you can simply skip and choose a category later, but you can choose here as well. And here again, click on skip this step. Here you will see two options for creating your website. So you can choose one of these. So if you are complete beginner and want to save your time, you can select this one. But if you want to have full control over your website, you can choose this second option. So as we are making a video for beginner, so I'm going to select this one and click on start building. Here you have to click on next. Here it's asking for what's your site about. So here you can select a website category. So you can select any one of these, or you can simply search your own category right here. So in this case, let's select maybe music. Okay, and click continue. And from here it will select everything for us. So you can name your site. It will be shown right here. So let's name it to how to music, sorry. Okay, so you can click continue, and from here you can choose a background cover which will be shown right here, or you can simply upload your own cover by here. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, or you can simply shuffle images by clicking here. So you can choose one of these also if you want, but I'm going to choose this one because it's looking sleek. Okay, uh, you have to click on continue, and from here you can upload a website logo. So I'm going to upload a logo. As you can see, I have added a website logo. Sorry for that, I have made my logo how to Wi-Fi, not how to music. Okay, click continue, and from here you can choose font for your website, and make sure you have to choose wisely, but you can change later if you want to change. Click continue, and here you can select a contrast style of your website. Let's suppose click on dark, and it will be look like this one, but I'm going to choose the light one because it want to show our logo as well. And from here you can pick a color as well for your website, that what color you want to show. Okay, and let's suppose we want to show uh, this color maybe. Okay, and you can change later all the colors you want. So click continue, and from here you can pick a navigation style for your website. Style of this section right here, it's very easy. You can simply change all the information by simply clicking on it, and you have to click on continue. And from here you can add your personal contact information. You can add your address, you can add zip code, city, email and phone, and make sure you have to add this information correctly. But if you don't want to add, you have to click on finish. It's creating our website, and it will load us a Bluehost website editor where you can edit your website further. So let's wait for the editor. It's connecting our website to WordPress. Here is our Bluehost website editor. Now here you can simply change all the information right here. Let's suppose you want to change this text right here. You can do this by welcome to how to Wi-Fi. Okay, and from here you can add a description as well, or if you want to remove the description you can simply do this, and you can change the button text. And let's change the button text. Okay, read more or like the video. Okay, and if you scroll down you will see this section right here. You can edit image as well, or you can completely change the image position. Let's suppose you want to change this style right here. You have to click on these arrows and you can change the style. You will see that what style you want for your website. So let's suppose we want this style. Okay, and click it and you will see it's changing. Okay, let's choose another style. Let's suppose this one maybe. No, okay, this one. As you can see it's changing. So you can same you can change here, and you can change the position as well. If you want to move this down you have to click here, move down, and it will be moved down, and you can change it again if you want. Let's suppose now add a new section right here. You can do this by clicking on section, and here you can add a section where you can add a gallery, you can add a map, you can add menu, you can add apps as well. So now let's add a gallery maybe. Okay, and from here you can choose a style, what kind of gallery you want to add. Let's suppose I'm going to add this section right here, and it will be added. And now the same you can change the style right here. You can change it as you want, and you can add items as well. It's saying, and let's move down. Okay, and it will be shown right here. And suppose you want to change this section right here, and you can do this by clicking on it. It will be changed instantly, and you can see. Okay, and if you want to change the logo right here, you can click on go to setting, and from here you can pick the style of your logo, what style you want, or you can simply click on change logo and you can change it. And you can change this section also. And let's suppose you want to edit this section right here. You want to edit about page. You have to go to about, and it's very simple. You don't need to code, or you can simply edit the section. You can delete the section. Let's suppose delete this section right here. Okay, and it will be instantly deleted. And now let's suppose you want to add a new page right here. You want to add a blog page. You have to go to menu and pages, and from here you can add a new page. So let's suppose I'm going to add a blog page. It's showing me the suggestion, so I'm going to click on blog page and add page. It will be added as well. Now I'm going to move this to near to home page. Okay, and now I'm going back to home page, and after making all the changes you have to simply click on save, and all the changes will be saved. And after that you can preview it also. Let's preview it, that how it's gonna look. As you can see it's looking like this one, looking pretty sleek. Okay, after that let's suppose you want to publish your website. You can do this by clicking here, click on publish, and it will ask for some information that you want to publish your site, and your site will be published. And as you can see your site is live. Now you can visit it, and it will be shown like this one, as you can see. And now if you want to edit this website again, you can simply click here, edit with Bluehost website builder. And let's suppose you want to add a post to your website. You have to click on dashboard, and it will load us WordPress admin panel where you can add posts, or you can change the design, and you can completely change everything about your website. You have to go to post and click on add new, and from here you can add your post title and post description, and also you can set your image for your post as well. So let's suppose make a post. Let's suppose how to Wi-Fi makes great content. Okay, and from here you can simply type anything you want. Okay, I'm typing random to show you that how it works. And from here you can set an image for your blog. So I'm going to set image from our media library, or you can upload your own file right here. So let me upload a file for you. Let's suppose I have uploaded this image right here, and here you can add alt text. You can change the title of your image, you can add caption, you can add description, and after putting all the information you have to click on set image, and it will be set right here. And from here you can choose these options as well. You can stick to the top of the blog, pending review, you can add permalinks, you can add categories, you can add tags, and you can completely make a post as you want. After putting all the details you have to click on publish, and again publish, and you have to click on view post, and it will load us that how it's gonna look like. Okay, here you can see here is our post, how to Wi-Fi makes great content, and here is our description. Now if you will go to blog page, here you will see here is our post which we have made. And if you want to show it to your home section right here, you can do this by going to your website builder again and click on edit, or you can do this by clicking here added with Bluehost website builder, and from here you can add a new section right here. Now let's scroll down and let's see where we want to add. Let's suppose we want to add the blog section right here. Okay, go to plus section, and from here search for blog, or you can see right here it's recommended already. You have to click on WordPress blog, and it will show us that how you want to show your blog. So you can add a blog list, this kind of list, or this also, and you can add this section right here. So let me add this one. Okay, let's see how it looks, and it will load us our blog. Okay, here you can see how to Wi-Fi makes great content. Here is our blog. So now you have to click on publish, and you will see that our changes will be made. Visit our website and scroll down, and here is our blog section. And one more thing, it's very easy and simple. Let's skip. Okay, and from here you can uncheck these also, and it will simply you will see the change. Okay, here you can see. Now it's up to you, you want to show the element or not. You can hide the button as well, and you can change the text position. Okay, but I'm going to keep it as it was before. So that's how you can simply change all the information to your website. If you are a complete beginner, you can create your website easily and effectively. So that's all for now. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, and like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.